Okay, today we are going to make a plane that looks just like this. Wingtips, amazing tip. Or at the end, you can also bend the wings. That's an optional step. And that makes it glide a little farther. Okay, so the first step, get a pair of scissors and a piece of paper. You will fold, so you fold your piece of paper right in half like that. Then you'll take part of the paper's corners like that and fold it the best you can and crease it in. And then you'll do the exact same for the other side, but this time you'll have like a matchup. So just try to make it the exact same. And then you'll unfold it so it looks like that. Pretty easy. So now you're going to fold your tip all the way to the bottom, like that. And then fold it right up, just so you see the flaps though, like these flappy flaps, see that? And then you're going to unfold it, and you're going to fold this little flap to right there. And it should look like that. I'll pause so you can crease that. And now you're going to actually do the exact same for the other side. Wait, see, I folded mine wrong, and you might have too. You want to get that right on the line. That's the hardest part. Okay. There we go. See? That's good. And now we're going to completely unfold that and redo this. See, you already have that fold, so that should be really easy. Now you're going to take this. Now I'm going to turn it around so you can see it through the camera. See this little pocket? You are going to force that wide open and then push it down into what looks like a triangle. Here, I'll show you what I did. See that? And I'll do the exact same on the other side. You'll take it, you'll force it open, and bam, triangle. Okay. So now, the next step is you have to do both sides, but I'll only start with one. So you open this, pull this out, close it back up, with this still out though, and you're gonna make what looks like a diamond. So you're gonna take this like that and do the very same for the other side. See? And bam. Just like that. And then this is probably one of the easiest steps. Pretty much as easy as the first step. You just fold that in like that. And then you fold this in like that. See? And then you've got a really nice point, and that's looking good. That's looking really good. See? And now, the next step is you're going to, see this little corner down here? You're going to fold that up like that and crease it. But don't crease it too much because you're going to flip it like that. See? Pretty good. Pretty dang good. Okay, now we're going to do the exact same for the other side. Except maybe a little differently. However you really want to do it, you can do it that way. This part will affect the wings though, so try your best. Okay, so now these little corners on that, you're going to fold that to the middle, just like that. Perfect, perfect. And just do the exact same on the other side. Perfection. See, that kind of looks like a shirt collar, like that and that. Okay, Now, this is where you're closing the plane. So while you're closing it, you see this edge? You're gonna take that and fold it over. So then it has like a plane mohawk. It's pretty cool. Now, we're gonna keep folding the plane. Keep folding, keep folding. Get the edges good, get the edges good. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So, now it's the scissor step. You've got this amazing plane. That looks really good, okay? So now the scissor step is, you're going to take this and go like an inch or so from the edge and cut in diagonally. And then you're going to cut in like that. And you're going to take the triangle out so you have that. Really, really good. Now, you are going to fold the wings down. See, but the point is, do not fold its little mohawk. See, it's going to end out like this. So you don't want to fold that mohawk. Okay, so then you do the exact same for the other side. Okay. Ready to move. Okay, now you can move on. And now, see, that's an amazing plane. Really good. Now, we're going to take these cuts we made and fold them up like that. And there is your plane.